That's what she said.
I'm all wet and I'm only gonna get wetter.
What?
Child's
Huh? No?
We're gonna make it.
I'm sorry, dude. No, it's a video. I'm sorry. This is probably gonna go on my website, dudeswantme.com. If you don't want it up there, you'll tell me and I'll take it down. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I didn't mean to be creeper mode right there. Yeah.
We don't know him.
God, you guys! Look at his face!
Holy shit. This is ridiculous. Damn.
Oh, I don't want to go over here. Don't keep drifting that way. I keep trying to hold down. I need a snuggie. I think I'm just going to get underwater.
Teach me how to snuggie.
Let's cuddle up before we die, guys.
Yeah. Without a paddle. Holy crap.
Hey, let's go stand under a tree. Hey guys, I don't want to die under a tree.
Me either. I mean.
You know, Alex. Waiting to die in the
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. It's so good. Ah.
I don't want to die.
Come on, pull. Here, I got you. Juice! Boiled peanuts. Last request? Is that really your last request? Is boiled peanuts? Oh my god, look at this guy. You can't see it because it's raining. Chicken Little. Y'all go underwater. I think you can take underwater for video. No? Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off because I'm slowing us down.